Take a ride in the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, compass, power door locks, power windows, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.